Day 1 to 2. Pigeon chicks are born blind, naked, and helpless. They rely entirely on their parents for warmth and food during this time. They primarily eat a special secretion called pigeon milk produced by their parents. Day 3 to 7. The chicks began to develop pin feathers, which are small, undeveloped feathers. They still require constant care and feeding from their parents, who take turns incubating and feeding them. Day 8 to 14. The chick's eyes start to open, and they become more aware of their surroundings. They continue to grow and develop their feathers, although they are still not capable of flying. Day 15 to 21. By this stage, the chicks have more feathers, and they begin to leave the nest briefly, often hopping around the nesting area. They are becoming more independent, but still rely on their parents for food and protection. Enter text. Day 22 to 30. The chick's flight feathers become more developed, and they start practicing short flights within the vicinity of the nest. Their parents continue to feed and care for them, but the chicks become increasingly self-sufficient.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos.